Hey everyone, Todd here with Paranomaly. You know, the stone tape theory is believed to be mental impressions during emotional or traumatic events that can be projected in the form of energy onto rocks and other items and replayed under certain conditions. The problem is that we know of no mechanisms that can record such information in stone or anything else to be able to play back or know how to retrieve the projected energy from them. Now, there would need to be some way to retrieve the embedded energy or data and to make sense of it in a way that it's comprehensible to the human mind. The idea that environmental elements are capable of storing traces of human thoughts or emotions, it was introduced by multiple 19th century scholars and philosophers as an attempt to provide natural explanations for supernatural phenomena. Now, back in 1837, Charles Babbage published a work on natural theology and speculated that spoken words leave permanent impressions in the air even though they become inaudible after time. He suggested that it is possible due to transfer of motion between particles. Now, the stone tape theory could also be derived from the concept of place memory. In the early days of Society for Physical Research, placed memory was considered an explanation for ghostly apparitions seemingly connected with certain places. I guess it's almost like residual energy. And in the late 19th century, two investigators named Edmund Gurney and Eleanor Sedgwick presented views about certain buildings or materials being capable of storing records of past events, which can later be played back by gifted individuals. I'm guessing like psychics, like psychic mediums. Now, another 19th century idea associated with the stone tape theory is psychometry, a belief that is possible to obtain knowledge about history associated with an object through physical contact with it. And in the 20th century, the idea that objects were able to store and play back past events was reintroduced in 1939 and in 1940 by then SPR President H. Price. Now, Price speculated about psychic ether as an intermediate medium between spiritual and physical reality, which can enable objects to carry memory traces of emotions or experiences from the past. Now, in his works, he stated that the existence of such traces should be provable by means of scientific methods, and that they yet remain unproved hypothesis. So following Price's ideas, an archaeologist turned paranormal researcher, T.S. Lethbridge, claimed that past events can be stored in objects thanks to fields of energy that he believed to surround streams, forests, or mountains. Now, what are your thoughts about the stone tape theories? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thank you for listening.